Dear students, now we are going to discuss magnitude comparator logic diagram and its applications in detail.
A combinational circuit that compares the magnitudes of two binary numbers is called as magnitude comparator. For comparison, we need to have two inputs. Each input is a combination of n bits. This is the general diagram of n-bit comparator where A and B are the inputs. Each input has n bits. For these two inputs, there are three possible outcomes. A is greater than B, A is equal to B, A is less than B. There are different types of comparators available in digital circuit based on the number of bits. Single bit comparator, 2-bit comparator, 4-bit comparator. Let's see one by one. So in order to implement the comparator circuit, we need to have XNOR gate and AND gates. Here, XNOR gate is used to find whether the two binary digits are equal or not. Because we know that the operation of XNOR is A bar B bar plus AB. That is the operation of XNOR gate. If both the inputs are equal, then only we can obtain the output as 1. Because consider this case, in this one, if A naught is equal to 0, B naught is equal to 0, then we can get the output like this. A naught bar is 1, B naught bar is 1. Here plus A naught is 0, B naught is 0. 1 into 1, 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to what? 1. So whenever both the inputs are same, then only we can obtain the output as 1. So XNOR gate is used to find whether the two binary digits are equal or not. AND gates are used to find whether a binary digit is less than or greater than another binary digit. So here consider the first case. Here A naught B naught bar. For this combination, if the output is 1, then A naught is greater than B naught. So consider A naught value is 1. B naught value is 0. Then B naught bar is 1. 1 into 1, the output is 1. So here A naught is greater than B naught value. Correct? So in the second case, the combinations are A naught bar B naught. So for this combination, if the output is 1, then B naught is greater than A naught or A naught is less than B naught. So here consider B naught value is 1, A naught value is 0. So A naught bar is 1. So 1 into 1, 1. So this is the operation of greater than or less than bits. So here we can see the single bit magnitude comparator diagram. Single bit magnitude comparator means here we have three outputs like this. So A naught is greater than B naught means here the AND gate inputs are A naught B naught bar. Just now we have discussed over here. So we are combining all the gates together to form the single bit magnitude comparator. So this is for A naught is greater than B naught. This XNOR gate is for A naught is equal to B naught. This AND gate is for A naught is less than B naught. So this is the single bit magnitude comparator logic diagram. Next, 2-bit comparator. Here we are going to compare two inputs A and B. Each input is a combination of 2 bits. A is a 2-bit binary number that is represented as A0, A1. B is another 2-bit number B0 and B1. So there are three possible outcomes like A is less than B, A is equal to B, A is greater than B. The truth table for the 2-bit magnitude comparator. So truth table relates the input combination with its respective outputs. So here inputs are A1, A0, B1, B0. For 4 bits, there are 2 power 4 input combinations. That is 16 combinations are there. 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Correct? So next we are going to compare A and B here, bit by bit. So here A1, A0, 0, 0. Here B1, B0 is 0, 0. So both are equal. So here we can put 1 in this. A is equal to 0. So next 0, 0. Here B is 0, 1. So B is greater than A. So put 1 over here and 0, 0. Here it is 1, 0. So B is greater than A0. So we can put 1 here. Likewise 0, 0. B is 1, 1. So here A is less than B or B is greater than A. So put 1 over here. And next 0, 1. Here it is 0, 0. So here A is greater than B. So here 1. So next 0, 1, 0, 1. Both are equal. So 1. Likewise 0, 1, 1, 0. Here it is 0, 1. It is 1, 0. So this is what the greater number. This is 2. This is 1. So this is greater than A. So we can put 1 for this, A less than B. So next 0, 1, 1, 1. Again here 1, 1 is greater than 0, 1. So 1 is here. Next 1, 0, 0, 0. A is greater. 1, 0, 0, 1. Again A is greater. 1, 0, 1, 0. Both are equal. Next 1, 0, 1, 1. So here it is 1, 0 means what? It represents 2. 1, 1 means it represents 3. So B is greater. That's why we put 1 over here. And here 1, 1, 0, 0. So 1, 1 is greater. That is A is greater. 1, 1, 0, 1. So again here A is greater. Next 1, 1, 1, 0. Again A is greater. Because 1, 1 means what? It is 3. Here 1, 0 means it is 2. So 3 is greater than 2. So 1 here. 1, 1, 1, 1 means both are equal. So now we have obtained the possibilities for each outputs. Correct. So here possible output for this A greater than B for this combination. Okay. So likewise 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So why do we have all these output combinations means we are going to find out the logical expressions for each outputs, then draw the logic diagram for this 2-bit comparator. We are going to obtain the Boolean expression for each output combination. So for that we are going to use K-map simplification, that is Karnaugh map. Okay. So here we are going to consider A is greater than B. So A is greater than B means we have to consider only the possible output. Okay. So wherever 1 occurs, we are going to mark in this table. Okay. So here A1, A0, B1, B0. For this A greater than B, we are obtaining the output 1 for 0, 1, 0, 0 combination, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 0, 1. Likewise 1, 0, 0, 1. Here it is 1, 1, 1, 0. So there are 6 possible outputs for this A greater than B. Okay. So then we have to group the bits. Okay. So we can group 2 bits together or 4 bits together. So here one combination is this one and another combination is this 4 and there is one more combination, this one and this one. Okay. So for this combinations we can write the Boolean expression as for this 4 grouping, for this 4 bits grouping we can obtain the common terms are here A1, likewise here B1 bar. So that's what he given here. So A1 B1 bar plus next this one, this combination, this 2 bits. Okay, so for this 2 bits the common bits are like here common bits are A0. Okay, so A0 and then B1 bar B0 bar. Okay, so next for this 2 bits. Okay, for this 2 bits the common bits are A1 A0 and compare these two, we can get B0 bar. Okay, so this is the Boolean expression for A is greater than B. Similarly, we can obtain the Boolean expression for A is less than B. So here A is less than B, wherever A is less than B occurs over there. So here we can get 1 for the combination of 0, 0, 0, 1. Here 0, 0, 1, 1. Likewise, we can obtain all the values here. Then form the groups. Okay, so we can group these 4 bits together and these 2 bits together and these 2 bits together. Okay, so for this grouping, we can obtain the expression like this. So A less than B is equal to A1 bar B1 for this 4 bits plus A1 bar A naught bar B naught plus A naught bar B1 B naught. Finally, the Boolean expression for A is equal to B using K-map simplification. So we can obtain A is equal to B only for this 4 combinations, right? So whenever 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So finally we can obtain the expression like this. A1 bar, A naught bar, B1 bar, B naught bar. Likewise, this one is nothing but A1 bar, A naught, B1 bar, B naught. For this, A1, A naught, B1, B naught. For this, it is A1, A naught bar, B1, B naught bar. That's what given here. Then we can further simplify this expression like this. So we can take this A1 bar, B1 bar from these two expressions as a common one. So A1 bar, B1 bar of the remaining terms A naught bar, B naught bar plus A naught, B naught. Likewise, we can take this A1, B1 from these two expressions. So here the remaining terms are A naught, B naught plus A naught, B naught bar. Okay. So then we know that this is nothing but XNOR operation, right? So this is also the XNOR operation. Both are common. So we can take it outside. So if you are taking outside means the remaining terms are multiplied like that is into A1 bar, B1 bar plus A1, B1. So this is nothing but XNOR operation of A naught, B naught. Okay, so this is the XNOR operation. It is represented as the complement of XOR operation. Okay, so that's what given here. So similarly, this is nothing but XNOR operation of A1, B1. Okay, so this is for A is equal to B. Finally, we have obtained the logic expressions for A is greater than B, A is less than B and A is equal to B. So now we can draw the logic diagram like this. So this is the logic diagram. So here A1, A naught, B1, B naught. We are having the respective complement of each terms. Okay. So then 3 AND gates. For this expression, for A is greater than B, we need to have 3 AND gates and one OR gate. Likewise, for A is less than B, we need to have 3 AND gates. AND gates means product, multiplication. OR gate means addition. Okay. For A is equal to B, we need to have 2 XNOR gate. Okay. So here this is what the logic diagram for 2-bit magnitude comparator. So A1, A naught, B1, B naught and the respective complement values. For getting this A is greater than B, we need to have 3 AND gates and 1 OR gate to sum up all the outputs of AND gates. So for getting A is equal to B, we need to have 2 XNOR gate and 1 AND gate. So next, for getting the output as A is less than B, we need to have 3 AND gates and 1 OR gate. So on the whole, this is the logic diagram of the 2-bit magnitude comparator. Applications of the comparators. Comparators are used as a part of the address decoding circuitry in computers. It is widely used to activate the circuitry to drive the physical variable toward the reference value. That is widely in the control applications like temperature control, boiler control. So in such cases, we are using these comparators in computers.